Good day, everyone. Very good day to the organizers and also to the panel of judges. Today, my name is Darshana Iswananda and my partner Dr. Prasanna Kesavan. We have conducted a small-scale research on online language learning anxiety among English language learners. So, we are both from Polytechnic Ibrahim Sultan, and I'm very sure this topic is really related to most of us as educators. Okay, let me share. Okay, the next one is the introduction. Okay, so a classroom is a normal space which we have face to face, it's a brick of wall, and it's the normal place that we used to do class. And it is designed to grow tables, chairs, and usually provided with brick walls. So it was like a normal, happy. We are going into the class, spending time with our students, getting hard into the class with games and all that. Suddenly came coronavirus. So yes, stay home, stay at home, stay at home. Stop COVID. So movement control order being implemented from March 18, 2020 until now. So we have to start something new. That means the learning has to still go on. So online classes make it possible to enjoy the quality even with our living room. So we are actually following our rules. Okay. So problem statement would be many students express their uneasiness because they worry the idea of implementing online learning. They feel that it is stressful because most of them, okay, some of them having issues with, they have never encountered online learning. They feel that traditional teaching and learning environments are better. And this difficulty could have a negative impact on the learning performance, which Davis Graph 2005. Some of the webinars, workshop are directed to the lecturers who will carry out teaching and learning process in the Polytechnic. But what about the learners? They are not given any course on how to manage teaching and learning tools platform from their home. So this group of learners think like out. So the research objective is to identify whether there is language learning increase by first time online language learning based on online language learning anxiety or inventory. And the second one is which are the construct that contributes towards the first time English language learners anxiety. So the literature review is basically about anxiety. The first part is about language learning anxiety. So anxiety is an emotional and individual characteristic which have an important role in learning a second or foreign language. So it is experienced in language learning and influence students achieve major obstacles in learning second and so the learners are largely impacted by emotional responses while learning a particular language. So anxiety would negatively affect language learning. So this can give a big problem for a researcher as a language lecturer or language teacher. So when it comes to online learning, the second part of my literature review is on online learning. So online learning has been the rise in recent years. Online learning has become the new method and the new norm to disseminate information on education. So according to FISA, City Hall in Horizon 2007. So meet different kinds of people and numerous resources enable learners to acquire a larger thinking skill. So it's about methodology. So the methodology is about 95 students, 95 respondents. They are all first time English language learners and they are all 17 above. And online language learning, the tools to be used is online language learning anxiety or lack of entry. And it is basically on convenience sampling and the data we presented via percentage. So it is since it's a small scale research, so we just the instrument is via questionnaire. So we ask the students to answer the questionnaire, and from the data, we came up with a percentage. So here is the 31 items from 7 construct. The selected scale strongly disagree 1 to strongly agree to number 5. So here's are the 7 construct. Construct 1 is about the attributes of learning language online learning. Construct 2 is about motivation to learn while online. Construct 3 is the confidence in learning language online. Construct 4 is experiencing online language learning. Construct 5 fear of language online learning. Construct 6 is cognitive ability of learning online learning. Construct 7 is the readiness of English online learning. So this is actually designed by Faisal Dehawana. So based on Hornquist and Young, 1991, is language learning inside the mind. So the other findings we have. Okay, the findings is basically about the attributes of English language learning. Findings. Okay, since we have the objectives asking about which construct contributes to anxiety, so there are 3 attributes, 3 construct which contributes to anxiety on language learning anxiety. The first one is the attributes of English language learning. The second one is about the cognitive ability in English learning, and the third one is about the confidence. So